Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to be showing you how I wash my hair and braid my own hair. I'm going to be using a wide tooth comb to start and comb out all of my hair. It has not been washed in 2 to 3 weeks, so this is it straightened and kind of fuzzy, and I'm just using the comb to comb it all out. The products I'm going to be using is by my favorite line called Mielle. I'm going to be using the rice water and aloe vera line. It comes with the hydrating shampoo, a deep conditioner, and an itch relief serum. I went ahead and purchased the moisturizing milk on my own to use after I'm done washing my hair to help blow dry it and smooth it out. I really love this line and I'm excited to see how it works on my hair. So to start off the wash routine, I'm going to be parting my hair into 2 sections. It just helps while I'm in the shower to wash my hair for me. And in the shower, I'm only going to be using the shampoo to start off with, get out, and then go in with the deep conditioning. So I'm all done washing, and this is what my hair is looking like after just using the shampoo. I'm going to try and get a close-up so you can see. After getting my split ends cut, my hair is shrinked, but it's going to grow back, I'm sure, with these products. So I'm going to start going in with the deep conditioner, put it on my edges, and just part it and make sure I get it on each strand of my head. So now that I've gotten all the deep conditioner in my hair through parting, I'm just smoothing it out. I'm going to put 2 plastic caps over my head to make sure that it gets a lot of heat and keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes. It's now time to rinse off the deep conditioner in the shower with just water. You can tell that the deep conditioner really did soak into my hair, so I'm going to rinse it out now in the shower with water. So after rinsing it out, this is what my hair is looking like, the 4C shrinkage. So I'm going to take that moisturizing milk and put that in my hair. I'm going to part it into sections first with the wide tooth comb for blow drying. It helps to blow dry my hair in sections. So that's how I do it. I'm going to part it into 4 sections for that. So I'm taking the moisturizing milk and putting it in each section, and then combing it out so that blow drying is also easier. I have to get some hair ties. This is what the hair looks like parted in 4 sections after using the moisturizing milk, which works wonders on my hair. So I'm getting ready to blow dry now, and this is the hair dryer I use. It's red by Kiss, and it has the comb with it. Oh yeah, I also forgot to add the split end therapy, which comes in, this doesn't come in the kit, but I bought it on the side because I want to make sure my split ends are taken care of. So I'm going back in and putting that in each section and then blow drying each section out because I really wanted to make sure I got that serum in my hair. So here's the next section. Take a couple drops of the serum, smooth it in your hair, and then blow dry. For the actual split end therapy serum, what you're supposed to do if you really want to get intense with it is put it in your hair before you wash and leave it in for 10 minutes and then start washing your hair. But since I forgot that step, I decided to just throw it in at the end. Hopefully it still saves my split ends. So I'm just continuing to blow dry here and adding some Dew Grow Hair Thick Formula. This isn't from Mielle, but when I'm done blow drying, I add this into my scalp because it's already parted into sections, so it's easier to add the hair oil in. I'm gonna have all these products listed below in case you missed them, because they are really good products and my hair feels amazing and it's very easy to manage right now after doing the whole wash routine and blow drying. Taking some more of that hair grow oil and just smoothing it all over my hair, and then going back in and doing a blow dry to the entire head, not just the section, so that everything is all evened out and all the products are on all of my head. Now that I'm done blow drying, this is what my hair is looking like, and I love it. I call it my lion poof. It's very easy to comb out, as you can see, and manage after using those products. So I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail for now and then get ready to set up my braiding station and get into braiding my hair. Alright, I have everything set up to start braiding my own hair. So this is the hair I got off of Amazon. I'll have it linked below. I have the braid gel from Mielle, the braid foam, the braid moisturizer, and the edge control. That all came in the kit along with the itch relief serum. It comes with the comb for braiding, and it also has some cute hair ties. I use this mirror to be able to see behind my head while I'm braiding. So this is all of the stuff I'm going to be using. One thing I forgot to mention that you will need to braid your own hair are little rubber bands, the little black rubber bands. So I'm going to show you now how I do the actual braid. I got really into it, and I already did half of my head. So I'm taking a really big piece of hair because I'm doing big braids. I'm going to part a pretty big section, not too big, but just a simple box, medium-sized box. From there, you take that piece and get some braid gel and put that around the entire part. From here, you split your hair into two pieces. You take the hair and put it in between those two pieces. You take each piece that you split apart, take a rubber band and tie that around your actual hair. Tie it very tightly. See, I'm doing a lot of ties, and then I pull it as tight as I can. Pull, 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 make it tight so that it lasts, and then you split the hair into 3 sections and begin braiding the hair down. It's a very simple way to braid your own hair. The rubber band can guide you. If you want to do the rubber band method, you don't have to. I personally like doing the rubber band method. It helps me a lot while I'm braiding my own hair. So I'm just braiding it all the way down, and that is how I do the braid with the rubber band method that I've learned from another channel. Just braiding it all the way down to the end, and this is what the braid looks like. Easy peasy. Yeah, it's a really easy way to braid. I love this method, and honestly I can do it really fast. So now I'm just parting my hair into more sections and continuing that same method. Do your part how you want it to look. It gives you freedom to design how you want your hair to look too. So you're putting more gel again. I'm opening more hair here and just continuing with that process. done with all of my braids. I really love the way they turned out. So now I'm going to take the Braid and Scalp Moisturizer, and you can also use this spray and use it on the actual braid. You can put it on your scalp and you can use it daily. So I'm going to take that and just make sure my hair is moisturized. This is the braid foam that a lot of braiders use after braiding hair. It's just a foam that you put all over the braids, and then after you put the foam on, you wrap your hair either in a scarf, or they sell some other products for wrapping. I'm not sure what they are, but you just basically tie down your hair after putting the foam on, and then you blow dry it. So with that blow dryer, you're just gonna blow dry your hair for about 1 to 2 minutes. And you just make sure that the heat is setting the foam into the braids. So this is the final look. I'm just going to do some final touches. I'm gonna take that itch relief to make sure I get the serum in. You can use this itch relief daily if you're feeling any type of itch on your braids. This is the edge control. I'm going to put it on my edges just to smooth them out and give that final look for the braids. You can also use the edge control daily, but that is it. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!